My name is Michael Meehan, and I am a maintenance and reliability guy who's been in the business for about 40 years. I've held roles as a technician, as a supervisor, as a manager, and as a reliability engineer. And I'm here teaching the Certified Maintenance Manager course for ReliabilityWeb.com. The focus of the CMM Workshop is trying to help maintenance managers identify the value that they provide to the organization, because maintenance is always a cost center, and it's always going to be, but you need to be able to identify how you're reducing costs and the business case that you can make and the return on investment that you're giving to the organization. So the class I have here at IMC is a really great class. There are a bunch of guys who are really interactive and like to provide their examples of what they do in their plant in the vein of what we're talking about going through the modules of the course. They interact with each other and help talk about, what problems do they have, what solutions have they come up with, how did they approach this particular topic that we're talking about in the course. And I think that's really good because it adds a lot to the value that the people are getting from the training. They all get a broader perspective on all the different aspects of maintenance, particularly from the leadership side, because we talk about management and the daily work processes and all those things that you need to do, but we talk a lot about leadership and culture change and try to bring that aspect. And I think that's probably the biggest thing that we bring away is how do we approach a manager in the operations side who's maybe a little difficult to get along with, and how do I go to them and build trust and develop that relationship so that I can then help add more value to the organization. So I'm going to tell from my personal experience the things that we should be talking to maintenance managers and maintenance leaders and reliability engineering personnel and asset management personnel out there is get engaged with ReliabilityWeb.com. Come to IMC, come to Maximo World if Maximo is your CMMS system. Come to the Reliability 4.0 and engage in these classes and learn and build your network. There's a ton of great people here, great vendors who can help you do things that you may want to do but you don't quite know how, or we can help you get those skills by coming to the Certified Reliability or Certified Maintenance Manager courses. The networking here is fantastic, and it's actually kind of changed my world in a big way during COVID and during the pandemic, because I did have that network, and I've been coming here since 2008. So I'd recommend to anybody that they get involved and engaged in these classes and this conference and become a part of this community.